Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in the last video we looked about the best and essential apps that you should have in a Mac. Well, I've brought up one such app for Windows devices that I think every one of you must be using. This app makes you finding files, be it from documents or downloads folder, be it anything on your entire hard drive, very simple. Within just single type you can just find the files no matter wherever it is placed. And the best part about this is that it directly configures right in your toolbar. So just like the Windows search icon, you can directly add that inside your taskbar and just click on it in order to find the files that you are looking for. That will be very handy for a lot of power users which are using Windows. So the first app on the list is the Everything toolbar. Well, this is a very essential app to have on your Windows devices. This is because it allows you to bypass the actual Windows search which is there, and everyone of us who has used the Windows search know that how bad it is in order to find all the files that you require, because it will only show apps or some files and documents which are only indexed within your libraries. But with this Everything toolbar, you can directly search even a single particular file if you know the name, or even tag it or search with different filters as well. I will show you in the later part of the video about how you can use it. But before we get deep into it, well, this Everything toolbar is an open source app and you can directly download it from the link which I will be giving in the description below. You just have to install it like any normal software which you install by clicking on next and cancel. But before starting the setup, you might get a pop-up warning that it is from an outsider source, so just click on more info and then just install it. So after installing it, you will be able to configure it, and it is pretty straightforward, and you can even read this guide and see what features are there. So it has the custom search filters as well. Then there is also quick search option where you can use particular backslash or forward slashes to format your searches, and you can even use regex for file actions as well. And you can also directly search any folder, file name, and so on and so forth. As you can see, this is the entire keyboard shortcut if you want to open a particular thing inside the Everything toolbar. And the best part about it is that it does not just need to use as an app, but you can directly have a search icon like this on the taskbar. So you don't need to use it as a separate app, but you can directly just remove the search icon from the taskbar settings, and instead of that you can have this search toolbar. As you can see, you can just turn off the search icon, which is the original search icon, and then just replace this after setting up. There are two softwares. This is the Everything one, and there is another called as Everything toolbar that allows you to just add a Everything toolbar over here, and once that is done, you can directly add the toolbar directly. As you can see, this is the Everything toolbar which is there. You can just turn it on and off, or you can even make some advanced settings. It is directly mentioned into the guide as well about how you can do the same. So I have already installed it, so I won't be able to show you everything from the start, but if you have any doubts on installing, you can ask me. So about how to use it, as you can see, you can just start it and you can type any file name. For example, I just type vcet and you will see all the files which are there with the name. If you even want, if you are even sure that it is a file or a particular folder, you can just select the folder or do it as well. Other than that, you can also have filters such as it must be audio file, compressed document. It can also be a .exe file or a picture or a video as well. So yeah, this functionality provides you a lot of things. You can also select features such as match the case, path, even word, or even search by all the things which are there. So if you are someone who keeps a lot of mess in your file system and you want to file any files, then this app is the must have for finding out all your files. Now you might say that the Explorer works as well, but the thing about finding things in Explorer is that it is pretty slow and it will take a while for the results to pop up, and you have pretty limited functionality about how you can search and find the search options, and every time you need to open the file Explorer. But on this hand, you can just directly put anything and it will just show you all the things, and you can just configure it in the settings if you want to exclude program files. For right now, I have kept all the program files as well, that's why it's showing all of this. But you can just in the preferences change the thing which you need to exclude, and it will be working directly. As you can see here, there are rules, change shortcuts, remember filter. You can also enable thumbnails, empty search. The app has a lot of dense features, and I think everyone who is using Windows 10 or 11 should definitely have this on your device in order to search files. And you can also, since the searching process takes a bit of memory in the background, you can just turn it off if you don't use it regularly. But I don't think once after the indexing is complete every day you need to do something about that.
So this was one of the apps which I think everyone should have on their Windows devices. I do have some more apps to share. Do let me know in the comments below if you wish to know about them as well, and I will surely make a video about them as well. Let me know in the comments below if you use any such apps like this, and I will be happy to try them out as well. Let me know if you have any doubts in the installation in the comments below, and I will be happy to help you as well. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.